Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with Tinashe hair, and this is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we received a whole lot of goodies in our package today. And this is our wig for today. It is a 16-inch 5x5 glueless Bodywave wig. It comes pre-plucked with the strap on already, ready to be installed. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Tinashe hair, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is super bouncy. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So today's unit is completely glueless. No glue, no gel, no wig cap, no bald cap. None of that stuff is required. What I'm about to do is to put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our wig. This unit is a side part unit, so I'm gonna put the lace in the side. I'm about to put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. Again, this unit comes pre-plucked with the strap on already. So I'm just gonna go ahead, put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. So this is what our lace is looking like with the foundation on. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. Again, it is super bouncy. This is it, and the wig fits my head perfect. Like, it's not moving, okay? This is it. If you want to get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description. Again, this wig is from Tinashe hair, and I totally love this already. This is it. It is super bouncy, super bouncy. I really do love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Again, we will be doing a glueless install, so I'm just gonna cut the excess lace off and then style my wig, and basically that will be it. No work is needed for this unit. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is it. It is completely glueless. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get my curls together, but this is what it's looking like. This is it. No work needed, and that took me like 1 minute to cut the excess lace off, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. All right guys, so this is the final look. This is it. I am really impressed with how laid this look, and it is completely glueless. This is it. I think this is the first time I did like a glueless without adding anything at all to the hairline. It just shows you how good of quality this wig really is. This is the finished look. This is it. It is super bouncy. This is it. It is super bouncy. It's given super natural. I really do love how this came out. It's given natural. Again, it comes fully customized. All you need to do is to cut the excess lace off, and that will basically be it. This is it. It is completely glueless right now, and it is given laid, it's given natural, and it is completely glueless. This is it. I really do love how bouncy it is, how natural it is. It's given a whole vibe right now, and I'm just in love with that vibe. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Tinashe here, their website is in my description. Go ahead and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like. This is it. No glue, no gel, no wig cap, no bald cap. None of that is required for this unit. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Tinashe here, their website is in my description as well. This is the finished look. This is it. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Of course, go ahead and leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.